bus.
Toys are all over the place. Let's put them away in the boxes. Doll. Toy car. Lint roller can be used to remove fluff from the sofa. Wow! The sofa is so clean now. The shoe cabinet is so dusty. Let's clean it up first. Oh, the shoes are all over the place. Let's put them away in the shoe cabinet. Please help me wipe the shoes clean. Apply shoe polish onto the leather shoes. Leather shoes need regular maintenance. It's time to change the water of the fish tank. Let's pump the dirty water out first. Fill in clean water. Oh yeah! Let's put little fish in the tank.